Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Live Lifestyle Life. I am Jormishta. Today I'm going to show you how to make Oreo shake at home. And you don't need to spend your money on restaurants. So for making an Oreo shake, we obviously need some Oreo biscuit and some milk. Here I'm making only 1 glass of Oreo milkshake. So I'm taking 1 glass of milk and 1 packet of Oreo biscuit. That's it. And then I will take all the Oreo biscuits in the mixer grinder. Put all the Oreo biscuits in the mixer grinder. Then add in the milk and then grind it all together. And then I'm trying to make some design on the glass using the Hershey's chocolate syrup. And I have failed like anything because this was the first time I'm trying to make a glass art kind of a thing in the glass. So yeah, but it's okay for the first time. Now I will take out my Oreo milkshake in the glass. And then using the same Hershey's chocolate syrup, I'm trying to make some kind of art in top of it, which has also gone terribly wrong. So don't mind that. But this was really yummy. This is really yummy, and this is how my Oreo milkshake has turned up. I'm really happy with the look. And this was super easy Oreo milkshake recipe. I hope you all enjoyed watching this. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, be happy.